Howdy people, how are you? I'm doing okay. This is like my third time trying to record this. I've been having problems with my computer, which I got a new one, but I have to like hook it up and all that kind of stuff. So let's just see if this works. Anyway, if you read from my title, I am doing my Ipsy verse Ipsy, which I love this subscription. This is a $10 a month subscription. I also will be having a giveaway in this video. So if you watch to the end, you'll see what is going to be in the giveaway. So if you don't know what Ipsy verse Ipsy is, what I do is I use two different profiles to see, does Ipsy really go by profile? So I'll use my real profile, which I'm 42. I have dark hair, blue eyes, and I'm very comfortable with makeup. And then I use a 25-year-old profile, and it's complete opposite. I have red hair, brown eyes, and I'm not that comfortable with makeup. So I already know what's in here because like I said, I already did this video a few times. So which one is what? Okay, so this is my profile. I'm 42, dark hair, light eyes, and I'm very comfortable with makeup. All right, so let's pull out one more thing. Was there? I don't remember. All right, so this is what the bag looks like. Now, I don't really care for the bag this month, in my opinion. It has a little Ipsy right here in gold. I mean, it's okay. It's like canvas, but it reminds me of like the beach, right? One of them beach bags, which I love the beach. But I don't know. It's not my like favorite, but I mean, I don't hate it. It has this little thingamajiggy right there. So, all right. Oh, I forgot to put the card back in. Oh, no, this is not my 42. This is my 25-year-old profile. So I apologize. So I have red hair, brown eyes, and I'm not that comfortable with makeup. All right, and this is the card this month for January 2019. It says, new year, more products, more focus on you, which is exciting. All right, the first thing we got, which I have this lipstick on, and I don't know, but I don't care for it too much. I changed my lipstick. Anyway, let me just keep going. All right, so this is what it looks like. This is the new Luxy Brushes. And I haven't tried it in the new collection, so I'm so excited to try it. This is like a small contour brush, and I love it. I'm so excited. So with Ipsy, you can get small samples, you can get deluxe samples, you can get full size. All right, the next thing we got is from Alaga, and this is, what shade is this in? I forget. Prickly Pear, and this is a lip gloss. Now it looks darker in camera, but this is like a neon pink, so I'm not going to open this. I'm going to put this in this giveaway that I'm having on today. What I typically do is, since I do get 2 Ipsy bags every month, anything I get doubles of or things I know I won't wear, I put in a bag, and once it gets filled up, then I have a giveaway. All right. The next thing I got is from Sand and Sky. This is a pink clay exfoliating treatment. And I love getting skincare, hair care, makeup. I know some people just like to get makeup. So I love the fact that I get this. Now remember, this is my 25-year-old profile. All right. The next thing we got is an Ico eyeliner, which I really do like, but I have so many of these, so I'm going to put this in this giveaway. Let me put this over here so I don't get confused. All right, and last but not least is a Glam Glow Starter. This is a mega illuminating moisturizer right there, which I am excited to try. I have not tried this in the Glam Glow, so I'm definitely excited. So let's recap. So we got the black eyeliner from Ico. We got this lip gloss from Alaga. Then we got the Glam Glow Illuminating Moisturizer. We got the exfoliator, and we got the Ipsy brush. So I'm keeping these 3, and them 2 I will put in the giveaway. Let me put that back in there. All right. So that, oh God, I really don't like this. It's like sticking together. All right, so the next thing I got, now this is my profile. Now the 42-year-old, dark hair, blue eyes, you know, all that. All right, so the first thing I got is from SL Glam. This is an eyeshadow brush, which I love the SL Glam brushes. And they're quite expensive too. I mean, this right there makes the whole bag. All right, so let's see what else we got. All right, the next thing I got is from Naked Cosmetics. This is a loose pigment in the shade Heavy Metal, which I will be putting in this giveaway because I have so many of these loose pigments. I really want somebody to try it because I do like this formula. The next thing I got is a Velvet Liquid Lipstick, and this is from, I believe, the brand Ilamascus. And the shade DF, I don't know if that stands for, I don't know. This is the shade right there. Let me show you what it looks like. It's really pretty packaging. I think it's from, I might be wrong. It says Ola Neon. I don't remember. Because maybe it's not from Ilamask. I'm not sure. But that's the packaging. It's really, really pretty. Really pretty. And I love the fact, look, it has little eyes right there. I like that. All right. The next thing we got is from Skin & Company. This is a face gommage. This is another exfoliator right there. And I love exfoliating my skin. I don't have very sensitive skin, so I tend to do it like maybe twice a week. All right, and last but not least is this Tarte Foundation in the shade Light Neutral. This might be a little bit too light for me, but that's okay. I can kind of put it like maybe in, like my T-zone or something. I haven't tried this formula from Tarte, but I do have on my face right now the new Tarte Foundation. It's the matte one, with the big doe foot applicator. I really, really like. So the recap on my 42-year-old profile, we got, oh, Jesus, I'm throwing stuff at you. I got the Tarte Foundation. I got the lipstick that I really like the color. I got an exfoliator. I got SL Glam brush and the Naked Cosmetics loose pigment. So I think I like both of them. I think it did go by profile this month. Let me know in the comments below which one did you like better. Did you like the first bag I unboxed? That would be for the 25-year-old, or mine, the 42-year-old. Let me know what you think. And do you think that Ipsy goes by profiles? Let me know in the comments down below. All right, so this is the best part. This is the giveaway. Guys, I put it in an offer bag because it's so much stuff in here. I was surprised. Let me show you what's not in the bag that I have to put separate. I love skincare, so these are what I got in Ipsy's before. This is the Vitamin E Velvet Mask. I believe I used my points to get this, I believe. We have the Pearl Brightening Mask, and we have Up in the Clouds by Timeless Beauty Bar, because I just do love skincare and I want you guys to try it. Then you will be winning these 3 things that we got in the Ipsy this month. The Naked Cosmetics. Sorry guys, do you know when your mouth is so dry because of the lipstick? That's what's going on. Then the Ico eyeliner, and then the lip gloss from Alaga. So that will be in there. And look at this, guys. It's filled up. Now, this I did not get in Ipsy, but I wanted to include it in this giveaway. This is from Beauty Creations in the shade Unicorn Tears. It's a liquid highlighter. Because I don't know who's going to win. So if this is not your shade, you can give it to somebody that you think will use it or whatever. I don't know. All right. The next thing is a Tarte blush that I got from Ipsy in the shade Corky. So you'll be winning that. This is a Deuce blush in the shade, what shade is this? RSVP right there. Very, very pretty color. This is a Steve Laurent. I believe this is a lip gloss. This is another blush from Fernandad in the shade Skinny Dip right there. Then we have a few brushes. This is a SL Glam eyeshadow brush. We have a Farrah brush. And this is a crown brush. I didn't get in an Ipsy, but I just wanted to include it. Then we have a It Cosmetics. I believe I got this. I don't know if I got this in Ipsy's or a Macy's bag, but I wanted to include that too. I love that mascara. Again, This did not come in an Ipsy. This is the Wet n Wild highlighter in Precious Petals. It's just all stuff that I like. I want somebody to try it. This is a Luna by Luna highlighter. And a couple more. So this is Tarte Blue eyeliner. Then we have the Cella eyebrow thingy majiggy. This is the First Aid Beauty, which one was this? A serum right there.